Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Sky with Telescopes Canada. I'm Nora, your friendly guide to the night sky. Join me in exploring celestial events happening in the month of July. Now, in this video, I'll try to use the Stellarium program to show you where to look in the night sky. July sky has much in store, from magical meteor showers to planetary conjunctions. Now, are you ready to see what July has in store? Let's go!
July 1st, conjunction of the Moon and Mars. Kicking off July with a celestial bang, on July 1st at 4:45 a.m., you'll see a thin crescent moon above Mars, due east. These two will be super close and rise just after 2:30 a.m. and reach a very good height before dawn. You can spot this with the naked eye, but grab some binoculars for an even cooler view. July 3rd, conjunction of the Moon Jupiter. Set your alarms for an early morning on July 3rd. Between 4:45 a.m. and 5 a.m., the Moon and Jupiter will form a stunning conjunction. They will rise at 3:26 a.m. and reach an altitude of 17 degrees before fading at dawn. This beautiful pairing is visible to the naked eye, stunning sight for the early birds. July 5th, new moon. On July 5th, the new moon makes an appearance, or rather a disappearance. This is the best time of the month to observe faint objects, such as galaxies and star clusters, without the interference of moonlight. A telescope will be your best friend for this night of deep sky observing. July 13th, first quarter moon. The first quarter moon peaks on July 13th at 7:07 a.m. It will be bright in the evening sky and set around midnight. This phase makes the moon look almost half lit, and it's great for observing lunar features. Get your small telescopes ready, my friend. July 14th to 15th. Mars meets Uranus. Get your binoculars ready for July 14th and 15th. Mars and Uranus are teaming up in the early morning sky, rising just before 2 a.m. Use binoculars or a telescope to observe the green color of Uranus and the orange color of Mars near the Pleiades star cluster, a sight not to miss. July 21st, full buck moon. On July 21st, peaking at 1:14 a.m., the full buck moon will be fully illuminated. This moon is named after the new antlers that buck deer grow during this time. It's also known as the thunder moon and the hay moon. The best viewing will be overnight on July 20th. July meteor showers. July brings 4 different meteor showers for us to enjoy. Late July is particularly exciting as Piscis meteor shower peaks the night of July 27th due south. This is followed by the July Gamma Draconis, which can be seen due north. Closing the month, the Southern Delta Aquarius and Alpha Capricorn meteor shower peak on July 30th at 1 a.m. due south. These showers are known for slow-moving, bright meteor showers and visible all night. Best viewed from the dark location after midnight, these showers offer up to 20 meteor showers per hour. Look towards the constellation Aquarius for the best views. Best constellations in July. Summer Triangle. July's best constellation is the Summer Triangle, shining bright and high in the evening sky. Look for Vega, Deneb, and Altair forming a large triangle overhead. This is a great target for the naked eye observations and is perfect for beginners.
That's it for July 2024. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to not miss out on any updates. Grab your binoculars, telescope, or just your eyes and enjoy the wonders of the night sky. Remember, when you soar with Nor, there's many cosmos to explore. See you next month!